Samsung is doing something different with Galaxy S23 Ultra. And let's be honest, it was always the case with Samsung. If they try to do something different, they end up ruining the thing. Just like they did with the exynos 2200 on S22 Ultra with AMD GPU, which brings a lot of bugs in the S22 Ultra. And this time, we are going to see Snapdragon Gen 2 Samsung powered CPU, which will only be used for Galaxy S23 Ultra lineup. At first, it was rumored that Galaxy S23 Ultra will get a special edition processor which was overclocked at 3.36 GHz, and now things are going in a different way. As Anthony stated, Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to get a Samsung powered Snapdragon Gen 2 with 4nm process, unlike the standard Snapdragon Gen 2 which will be powered by TSMC and 4P process. Now we all know TSMC powered Snapdragon Gen 1 Plus worked really well on the Z Fold 4, but Samsung powered Snapdragon Gen 1 was not that great on S22 Ultra. So we can just hope for Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra to work well with the special edition Snapdragon Gen 2. Although the new benchmarks are not really good as it falling behind the normal Snapdragon Gen 2, either it is not fully optimized or this is how it will work. Let me know in the comments, why would you choose Galaxy S23 Ultra over its 200 megapixel camera or new Snapdragon Gen 2? And make sure to subscribe to the channel. The interesting part is Galaxy S23 and the S23 Plus gone through FCC certification, which confirms the battery of both devices. According to FCC certification, Galaxy S23 will be powered by 3785 mAh battery, which could be translated into 3900 mAh on paper, whereas Galaxy S23 Plus will get a bigger battery of 4565 mAh, which could be 4700 mAh on paper. A big update on both devices' battery. Galaxy S23 Ultra will remain the same with the 5000 mAh battery. Both phones comes with the 25W fast charger, but can capable with the 45W fast charger just like the last generation, which means we can expect same charging speed for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Although Galaxy S23 Ultra is not getting a battery update, but with the 40% power efficient CPU and 45% GPU power efficiency, it can last much longer than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. And if you guys don't know, Snapdragon Gen 2 is more power efficient processor than the A16 Bionic chipset, and this is the best power efficient processor after Apple M1 chipset, which is obviously not a mobile based processor, and by adding a new light mode, this could go even better on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and S23 Ultra could compete with iPhone 14 Pro Max. A report from Korean media indicates that Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra Unpack event will going to place in the early February, and this event will be held in the San Francisco like the ones before, but Samsung last did this with the Galaxy S20 series. If you want to see the real camera details of Galaxy S23 Ultra, then you guys should check this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.